Today's topic is insurance company surveillance tactics. It's no secret that insurance companies will frequently spy on people who've been injured in car and truck crashes, but they don't do it in every case. Let's go over some basics and what you need to know. The first question is, who is a likely target of insurance company surveillance? You're not a candidate for surveillance if you have a standard run-of-the-mill accident claim where, for instance, you were rear-ended or broadsided and you had some injuries and you had some treatment and recovered over a few months. They're not going to target you in that situation, but they are going to target you if you had a relatively serious injury and there's a claim for permanent injuries that you may have. For instance, if you shatter your ankle and leg and need surgery with pins and screws, and the doctor tells you, look, you better find another line of work because you can't return to your previous job, then you are a very likely target of insurance company surveillance. Now, the next question is, when are they likely to surveil you? The answer to that is simple. When they feel that they have enough information as to your injuries and what your claims are in any lawsuit. If a lawsuit has been filed, you are most likely to be followed by a private investigator either shortly before or shortly after your deposition is taken. I've been doing this for 22 years representing Ohioans in accident claims, and it's been my experience that it's most frequently done by investigators who, for instance, they'll have a van with usually tinted windows sitting outside your house, filming you in everyday activities, whether you're with your family, cutting grass, things like that. And they may also follow you around town to public places like parks, shopping malls, flea markets, and places like that. So why do they do it? Well, if they feel that they have enough risk, particularly in situations where you're claiming that you can't return to work or you're going to have future lost wages because of your permanent injuries, their goal is to catch you in a gotcha moment where you have made a claim where you can't do something and they have it on film showing that you can do something. The good news is that there is a surefire way to counter some of these sleazy tactics, and it's simply be honest. Be honest with your doctor and let him or her know exactly what you can or can't do. Be honest with your attorney. You need to sit down with your attorney and make a laundry list of all the things you can't do versus the things you may be able to do with difficulty. And whatever you do, don't exaggerate your claims. You know, your mother was right. Honesty is the best policy. I hope this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any further questions, please go to our website at www.n-wlaw.com. Thanks for listening.